it's Entity Industries with another bike check. Damn, I fucked up. Hey there, I'm Doug Bromstead with Entity Industries, and here's my bike check. Let's start off in front. I have the Aaron Ross grips in clear. They suck. With the Odyssey bar ends, they're pretty good. They last long. With the Fit stock handlebars, Fit stock stem with some shadow hollow bolts. They're pretty good, light. My forks are some Fit stock forks. Who cares? My front ram is the Alienation plain black ram with some stock spokes, black and red, and stock hub, unsealed, piece of shit. I have some kind of Walmart tire in the front. This sucks. Lasts me about a month. And my frame is the Fit SDR1. Yeah, it's pretty good. And my pedals are the Odyssey Twisted PC. They rock with some stock Fit 8-spline cranks. They suck. Squeaky. I got the Odyssey Bluebird chain with the Odyssey Burlington sprocket. It's pretty sick. And my seat is the Odyssey Senior 2. It's rocking. My seat post, the really short Fit pivotal seat post. Have it slammed. I like it slammed. And my back tire is an Odyssey Aiken tire. It's rocking with Alienation PBR in the back too. Just kind of threw me an Odyssey sticker on there. Make it look awesome. Same stock spokes. And the hub is just a stock Fit hub that I rod. Let's go back to the front. We got one thing. I have the Odyssey headset integrated. It clicks a lot, it gets annoying. Don't get it. Well, I guess that's all. Thank you for watching this video. And